Question 16. A first aid test has two parts, a theory test and a practical test. The probability of passing the theory test is 0.75 and the probability of passing only one of the two parts is 0.36. The two events are independent. Work out the probability of passing the practical test. So if we think about this in terms of tree diagrams, we've got firstly the theory test and then the practical test. So the theory test, we either pass or we fail. We're told we pass it with a probability of 0.75, which means we fail with a probability of 0.25. Given the result of the theory, we then have to take the practical test, which again we either pass or fail. Now we don't know the probability of that, but we do know that these two probabilities add up to 1. So if the probability is x, I can write the probability of a fail to be 1 minus x, and the same on my second branch here. I'm now told that the probability of passing only one of the two parts is 0.36. Now only passing one part is to pass the theory, fail the practical, or to fail the theory, pass the practical. Now on your tree diagrams, to find the probability of passing the theory, failing the practical, you do 0.75 times 1 minus x. And then to find the probability of failing the theory and then passing the practical, you do 0.25 times x. Now these two probabilities together must sum up to 0.36. And so if I expand the brackets here, that's 0.75 minus 0.75x plus 0.25x must equal 0.36. And so subtracting 0.75 from both sides, simplifying for x here, I've got minus 0.5x is equal to minus 0.39. Dividing by a negative 0.5 gives me an x value of 0.78.